Then Afise, again one girl video they sent to me just now. Afise Messi. Please, do you know, if you know Afise Messi, I don't know they follow this, their human rights defenders, they name me. I know they follow them because I know Good Luck for social media. Good Luck, Adegboye, that fake human rights, now, done. I know, don't tell me I know her. So, when I say it can't set up human rights this thing for Nigeria, I say Nigeria now system where you say you feel set up anything, just the whole people for work. You want to cash for Mugu. The system don't get control. You understand? So they say get one girl they call Messi. I don't first see Messi ranting. I don't first see our videos. Please, if you know Messi, if you know they are not too sabi them. If you know Messi, please type yes. If you know her, type yes, because somebody just sent me a video now say they don't arrest her. It be like the man that they call chairman and be president of the organization, human rights defender, say he don't arrest. Make I play the video for now. They go to the girl house. No say the girl talk say she gets a video when she want to expose the guy. So so be like they don't go arrest her. See, you see say now bad people now they form activists and they always they talk. Now bad people now they always form activists for Nigeria. People will not get character. People will not when they always they use people. People oppress us and they be activists. See, a true activist don't go carry police go arrest person. If person spoil your name, what you go do? You go meet your lawyer. You go sort of draft petition, or you go sue him for libel. You go sue the person for libel. You carry and go court say something when you talk. I beg, come prove him. A real human rights. A real activist, not they use police arrest person. That is oppression. Adegboye or whatever you call yourself, whether a chairman or a president or husband and wife, when they judge people matter. It don't reach una matter now. I don't want make people talk, put now one oppressed girl. Afise Messi, they call the girl. They say the girl they work with you now. She don't tire to walk. When they talk, they say you don't talk, say you give the girl 14 days. Why you still go to arrest the girl? Make I show that video when they take go to the girl house. I want to tell the girl, if you want to, if the girl come out, if I know the girl, I'm gonna tell her make she reach me. There are people that will stand by her. If Good Luck is really fake, we will get the Lagos state government to shut down that is fake human rights organization. If it's really fake. So making lawyers come out is not enough for you to come outside messy to just a rant, they talk. You need to get people on board. You need to let people know, say, see the reason why when I talk, you say this man are fake. Then we'll take it to another level. We still get small level to draw some big men attention to what this people they do. And God. And then I was when I go see fake human rights activists for them. Now money be their own. Cash and carry activists. When I watch the video.
Okay. I respect you so much.
No. Okay, this one.
I have not even said a word. And you are now searching my things. I don't know.
Now police they search at things, so
I said I'm going with you guys. And I accepted that.
I'm not disputing that.
Madam, come in your life. Madam,
You just injured me.
I don't know what the police they search for here.
Please give me that church light. Let me on for him. It's not you. My brother has a light. Take me.
I have one. I just want you to go. Yeah.
No, I'll see you. Fine girl. Sleep here.
Police, what do they look for? for this girl house. Oh no, they search for her bag. What are you looking for?
Jingy, come and hold her from here.
Please share this video. Please share this video. Me, I need this video. Adeboye know me. Oh, Adeboye, Shebi, you know me. Before Thunder, I will fire you. You know, leave this girl. Adeboye, good luck. Before Thunder, I will fire you. You know, leave this girl. Why you don't carry this girl go court? Why you don't carry Mercy go court? When you carry police, you want to intimidate her, Abi? Now, what do they find for this inside her house now? One of they ransack this house, you go talk am.
Listen, you watch me, anything I see, take inventory of whatever was said. You are the one that is making things like
No.
have right to search you from head to
Oh, guy, you don't have right to touch my phone. See, me too, I know some laws. You can't just come and intimidate me like that now.
You know why I say you should leave school for you, but who wants you to use that phone and call your number? If not, we want a police waiting. Let me tell you.
They have been saying this on news. How can the police person collect somebody's phone? Is that part of
That's
dress?
the first thing. I just tell you that's the first thing, but you don't want to.
Madam, you guys can do anything now. I know I'll go there to not take 6 hours. I'll come outside. Then you people will know that everything you guys are doing is illegal. I'm sure of myself.
We are police officers. We are illegal.
I don't blackmail anybody. I don't even know who they are talking about blackmail.
Stop that language.
say we are doing illegal after actually in our warrant and our ID card.
Wait, this is.
Then this is the other video. After they don't search her things, they can't carry her come out.
Oga, I respect you so much.
See, are you the one that told me you are a thief girl?
This is human right. I saw the human right. They have arrested me. I don't know. This is if anything, the whole world should watch me. Anything happened to me, I've told people what the husband did, which I'm not. I don't have any blame to be blamed. Please help me, Lord. Help me. Everybody's watching me. Help me.
Collect.
The whole human right. I saw the president. She came with her car. They picked me up. If anything happened to me, the whole world should watch. I saw her with my eyes. Look at me. This is a car. If anything happened to me, I don't know. See, everybody should watch. The whole world should watch. I'll come to my rescue. I say I'm not afraid of these people. Even when I'm dying, it's the husband that do for me. I even run away from me because I know nothing. I'm following them inside their car. Look at me. If anything happened to me, you should help me. Help me. They are collecting my phone now. They are collecting my phone now. Collecting my phone now.
So I beg, make una tell good luck. Good luck. Shebi you will say you be human right. You remember saying you do video that time. The time when me and John Osage get issue for your evil shrine. Make that your juju way they serve, make it destroy you. Animal good luck, animal. You do video that time, they swear for your head, they mention my name, may thunder fire you. When I want to silence this guy, be what you are going to search for her house? You are your wife. That will be like a human being. Nigeria, I don't know why people they foolish for this country. You just see people, you know, say fake is written all over them. You pull head say be human right. Which human right? Social media don't make things very easy for una to cash mugu. What do they look for? She put one oppressor. You don't feel carry and go court. You don't feel carry the girl go court. You want to use your level now. You want to pay police. You want to use your connection with the police now to intimidate her. You are na a way now you be a way. Not gonna release her. Not gonna release her. Yeah. Not gonna release her. They look for who you want to oppress. Human right my foot. You don't know yourself. I beg, give this girl a come. I'm gonna give her my contact. May she reach me. Please share this video. We cannot sit and watch good luck intimidate this woman. We don't go sit down. Make her try and get the video when she do. That's for expose good luck. Fake human rights. Nigerian for do nonsense.
I respect you so.
I'm looking for the genesis of this whole. She did a video that went viral. think she did a video that went viral. Can't find the video. Okay. And this is the video. Watch, friends.
Hello everyone, I just saw a post about human rights. I don't actually watch them nowadays because I'm always very, very busy. But somebody drew my attention to one of their posts. The man said I wanted him to be my boyfriend or my husband. It seems to be funny. See, I have never in my life seduced a man. I'm a very hard-working lady. Even though I have issues with my ex, for crying out loud, my ex-husband is an educated person, but we had differences and I left him. I've never for once seduced chairman. He came to my hotel to sleep with me. This man came to my hotel, he stripped himself naked to sleep with me. I said no because I was depressed. I had no feelings for a man, and since then I left my husband. I can swear to God who made me, I have not slept with a man. I hustle for myself. I sell skincare products. People use me for promo because I have a good skin, and that is how I hustle for my kids. If anybody say I seduce a person, that person is lying. Then let me tell you guys something. That human rights, what you guys see online is different from what is in the world. I mean, what is in reality. People come to report issues there. The president, she eats a lot of people's money, and she does not judge issues. When I was there, that was the issue I was battling with. People thought I was working there. So most times, I just advise them, please, you guys should judge these people's issues, because for me, I still have this abroad mentality. Let me put it that way, because I thought if you eat somebody's money purposely, without doing what you're supposed to do, maybe the person can cost you. And anytime I tell the president, they just waive it. Sometimes people send money through SendWave or what remitter, because I've used those things to cash out dollars from my account, from my Access Bank, First Bank, that people send to me. And once I do that, I tell her, this is how you're supposed to remove the money. She'll remove the money without giving these people. They have been eating a lot of people's money. Mama Success, she says we are leave. My house is a bit closer. So anytime I'm passing, she's like, oh, my daughter, I saw your human rights. I thought you could help me. Before the chairman traveled out, I told him about this woman that please, whatever it is, return back the woman's money, because she's an old woman and the woman is partially blind. According to her, I saw her struggles. Oh, what was my wrong? I just want to ask. And he told me, the chairman was the person who told me initially that anytime I see something wrong with the organization, I should just call his attention. All these things he was doing to sleep with me, I was in his house when he tried to peg me. He tried to kiss me on my mouth. I pushed him away. Chairman is just a bloody liar, because I accept to date him. He told me he could cater for me, take care of my kids. I told him, look, I don't want to date right now, because see, I have a lot of 2 stars, but I've not accept anybody. If you see me posting something on social media, sometimes I just want to catch cruise. I do not have boyfriend. I stay in my house. I do my YouTube videos, or I go out to deliver some product, because I don't have a physical shop yet. I do not have a boyfriend in this Lagos. Ever since I divorced from my husband, I've not met even one man in my life. Not that I cannot do, but because generally I hate guys right now, because I think if I accept anybody, the person will still take advantage of me. See, my ex-husband was cute. Do you understand? I have nothing to do with chairman. Chairman is very short. He's not even handsome like my ex-husband. I have a taste for men. See, everything he talks about me is a bloody liar. I did not seduce. What do he have? I know I'm poor, but my ex-husband is richer than him. What is his business with me? This old man should leave me. I'm a young girl, I'm still in 20s. Even that's why the father have kids. I have no issues with them. Please, they should leave me alone. They have been eating people's money. A lot of people call me on social media because my name is there and they saw me. It's like my video went viral, and most times they call me to complain because they think I'm working there. They will be like, Mercy, because there's another girl, she told me her name is Mercy. She paid 20,000 naira. The case was not judged. The president asked her to go back to her ex-husband and pretend to be like a wife so that she could just pick the children and run away. A lot of cases like that. See, chairman, I respect you a lot. If you dare call my name, I'll bring out your naked picture with your brick and dick I show to the world, because you came to my hotel, you stripped yourself naked to have me, but I told you I won't do that because my ex is already suspecting me. I'm a very decent girl. Very, very decent. People don't know. See, people don't know that I'm very decent. I'm a very decent girl. I don't have a boyfriend since I left my husband. How many months? How many girls can do that? And I know I'm beautiful. I don't have time for men. I take care of my kids. I'm always in my house. I don't see. Chairman, you always fight with president in my front. I'm not part of your marital issue. Me, I get my own way, they worry me. Like I get my own way, they worry me where. If you have issues with your wife, see, last 2 weeks, Chairman and the president sent police people early in the morning to come and beat her sister, Iyabo, the younger sister, to Chairman.
Can you imagine?
Strip her naked and send her away. I wasn't there.
Can you imagine?
I told him that, Mercy, I am telling you because he used to go to human rights and Chairman used to talk about you. She used to praise you, that I don't know, you used to give them good advice, things like that. Please call Chairman and talk to him. I told the sister that please, the man does not listen to me. So I can't talk to him. And meanwhile, the man was coming to me to have sex with me. And ever since I said no, he has not even talked. See, number one, let me tell you guys, I have a standard. Chairman, his English, I don't want to provoke me. I cannot go, I cannot go with that guy.
Adegboye, who can gbeo?
My breast here. I don't have issues with these people.
Adegboye, who can gbeo?
Crying. And somebody sent that video to me. I didn't even do it. But I used to see her around. She sells old shoes. And sometimes I just dash her small money that I have. I'm not rich. I don't even have money. I'm also broke. But as an old woman, I have like...
They are just trying to shut her up.
And the only thing I could do was...
Fake human rights organization.
Push me to... Somebody told me, I was going to push because the person told me that, please, Mercy, because you have few followers that knows human rights. If you post this, they could actually help you. They could actually help you. That was why...
Please, I need the contact of her relative and her lawyer. Please.
To know that if what she's saying is wrong, they should come out and defend. That is the essence of tagging. I was not afraid of them. If not, I wouldn't have tagged them. And secondly, I also posted her number so that if anybody thinks I'm lying, they should call her and hear from the horse's mouth. See, I'm a very young girl that is very decent. Even though I wear short knicker or something, I'm very decent. I'm not a borough. I'm not a prostitute. I'm not doing this thing that Lagos girls are doing to have money. I am very decent. I'm always indoors. I don't even go anywhere. I mind my business. Chiama, you said Mercy Malaysia. See, I don't even have to speak good English anymore. Because of this, see, for the fact that you mentioned my name, you said I said I should sleep with you. I mean, you should sleep with me. Chiama, if I ever do that, I curse you from today. Because my ex-husband said he was suspecting me. So you want to come out here and damage my image. See, you are old enough to be my father, right? And if you ever say this to a young girl who you are old enough to give birth to, I curse you today. Anything, see all those things people used to do there, it go leak.
It don't leak.
People don't used to judge cases. People are crying outside. Human rights is, people used to say it's scammer. A lot of people, see, tomorrow I'm going to call another girl and I will do a live video with her. She will explain what is happening. And see the case of Eukarya. The chairman said she was supposed to call them, I'll be texting. I can bet you, when I was at Human Rights, do you remember when I went to Human Rights? That was February. I saw that girl with her baby. February till now, they haven't given her the money. The girl has to go to police station. And I think it's a gender unit or something here in Lagos. I report these people and she has to take a lawyer together with her. And when they called the president, she was not changing her mouth. I called it to come and collect your money, you didn't come. But I can tell you that if you go there, she will shout at you, bang the door at you, insult you, and you go back. That's what they have been doing. And anytime I see those things, I used to tell them, please, this is inhuman. I was not there when the case of Eukarya happened much later, but I was there when it started. But why did she call me? Because a lot of people feel I'm still working there. And that is how I get a lot of text messages in my inbox. Sometimes I forward it to Chairman to let him know that people are complaining. Do you know what they do? They don't even care. Chairman will tell me that. Tell them you're not.
Please check our Facebook name is Afise Mercy. Let me write it in the comment section.
That is the question I ask him. Most times he will just tell me, mind your business, Mercy. Not be me carry you come Nigeria. They do that abroad mentality for outside. That is the response I get from him. I am so shocked that this man could actually call my name and say, Robbie, see, please, it's not that I'm ingrate. I am not. I appreciate them. Even though they didn't give me the money Or I still appreciate because it's not an entitlement. I was shocked, I was surprised, I never expected that. But let me tell you the truth. What these people are doing is bad. Do you know that for 2 months, I used to go there every day. I go there 9 a.m. to 10 p.m. with my laptop as a woman. I work for the president from morning till night without food, without transportation. And she allows me to come back to my hotel around 9 p.m. and 10 p.m., sometimes 9 p.m. with my laptop bag. And I was new in Lagos. Who does that? What if I'm raped? She don't even care about my health. And that was why I left. I worked for them 2 good months. Those people are computer illiterate. I taught them how to even check email, how to even delete email, Google email. They don't know anything. And nobody paid me for that. I really left because I told them I'm a mother. Look, I'm a mother. And when I get, because then I didn't get my kids here. When I get my kids, I want to take care of them. I want to sponsor them in school because as it is now, my ex-husband is not sending a pen for me. A penny to me to sponsor the kids. My kids are in school. I do everything by myself. I told the woman that if she's not paying me, I have to leave the place. And that was how I left. I didn't have issues with them. I just left. But the woman was suspecting me that I was dating the husband. And the husband was the one coming for me. And I was saying no. Several times I said no. If you want to know, please send me a DM. I'm going to send chairman's dick and prick to you. So that people post it on social media. This man is crazy. You are a fool. But by mistake, telling me I seduce a man. Are you fine? Are you fine? I don't just understand. Do you think I'm a local girl? Is it because of my condition? I'm not a local girl. Do you understand? You are an idiot, chairman. For lying against me, you are an idiot. I don't care. Use all those your juju. It will not catch me. Do you understand? It will not catch me because I am from a Christian. I don't believe those things.
Fake juju.
Part of your issue. Settle your issue with your what do they call your wife. Your people are complaining. Please, I have my own issue that is bothering me. You understand? I don't have issues with these people. Stop saying I seduce you. I never do that. I saw the video you made. Can a woman seduce a man? And you were lying. Oh, blah, blah, blah. Chairman is a whore. He is a dog. I remember the first day I went there, I was standing at the back of the house. He came. He wanted to, in fact, he was putting his prick at my bum, but I want clothes. I had to push him. He tried to kiss me too. I pushed him away. If you dare make any video about me, I'm going to put your naked picture on social media. I swear. Because I remember, I put a necklace that has a camera. I'm somebody who keeps a lot of details. I knew this would come. Because if you claim that you were coming to check where I was, why didn't you send your wife? Why didn't you send your wife? You said you came, and me, I was there to sleep with you. Are you mad? Are you really mad? For real? For real? When I was depressed, up to now, I can't even date because when I think of a man, my spirit shakes. Because what I go through, I went through a lot of domestic violence. So anything marriage, anything man is just...
Yeah, this video is long. The fake human rights organization, so name human rights defender is clear. Fake is not the last. Be like China for not the last. If you are fake, definitely one of your member of your organization must come out one day to expose you. Must come out, and that is what is happening. That is what is happening to the fake human rights organization. Husband and wife, they do organization. Husband and wife, their marriage should be like that. The woman will come outside. I don't watch them because I hate to watch irritating people. I don't watch them. So please, we need to stand by our sister Mercy. We need to stand by her. We need to support her financially because the only thing good luck Adegboye is using her is money. He wants to use money to intimidate her, to oppress her. That is what he's doing. So we are going to encourage her. We are going to also finance her. We are going to finance her for her to do the right thing. Enough is enough. Thank you very, very much. Share this video. I need to look for a way to reach her or her lawyer. She's not supposed to leave that place today.